ladies and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you are new here, then my name is Mehzabin Pinky, and if you wish to see more of my future videos, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, follow me around social media. Links are below in the description box. So literally, as promised in my other videos, I'm going to swatch 4 of these liquid lipsticks by Maybelline, and this is on the market since very long time now, so I'm just swatching it now just because I wanted to show you guys here on my channel how these shades are. So literally I got 4 shades here. It's Maybelline's Super Stay Matte Ink liquid lipsticks. Okay, this is how it looks. So I'm going to swatch here on my hand and also on the lips. So I'm going to just take a wipe and clean my lipstick. So let's try this one first, and this is in the shade Dreamer. The color looks really pretty, light shade, good for springtime, summertime. So let's apply. Okay, really good peach nudish pink, pretty. So this is literally not my type of color, but like if I'm wearing this lipstick, I'm going to apply a dark lip liner with it, so it will look a bit good, but like I'm not going to wear this like alone. Okay, so it dries. Maybe it takes 1 minute to dry, nearly 1 minute, or like 30 to 40 seconds to dry, but like it's literally dry, and this is how it looks after it's dry. And like I like it, it's okay, but I'm going to apply it with a dark lip liner, and that way it will look even more pretty. The second shade I'm going to use is this Seductress number 65. Looks like this. Okay, this shade is literally so pretty. I literally love this shade. This shade will literally go well with so many eye makeup, and literally it's such a beautiful nude shade, and it literally goes on the teeth just because it's not dry yet, but like literally it's very, very pretty. Okay, let's see how it is after it's fully dry. Okay, now it's dry, and like literally it's good, and like when it's wet, like it goes on the teeth. It's really, really pretty, and like I love it. Like it's so pretty. This is one of the color I love the most. And now I'm going to just rub this off, and I'll be right back. It's so hard to take out this lipstick. Oh my god, like hurts my lips so much now. But anyway, I'm going to swatch the next one, Pioneer number 20, and this is how this looks. It's literally very pretty red. And like it literally goes on the teeth. Oh my god. And to be honest, I haven't swatched the other 2 lipsticks, like other one here, like this one and red one. My god, like let's switch. okay. I like it when it's fully dry, then it's okay, but like it gives that holiday vibe. It's pure matte, so if you are not a fan of matte lipstick, you won't be liking this one because it's pure matte. It dries and like it's very hard to remove. So this is how I remove. Like I use a Cupid and lip balm, and then I smudge. Then I'm going to wipe it off. Okay, so it took me a while to remove this red lipstick, like oh my god. So this is how these colors look like when it's dry, like the red, look at it, like looks pretty. So the last shade I'm going to use is this Lava number 15, looks like this. I think this shade is really pretty. It's kind of the dark mauve shade, which I like it, so I think it will go well with my eye makeup. So let's see. I'm not going to buy this liquid lipstick ever again, but like if it comes with a different formula, like it doesn't go on the teeth that much like other liquid lipstick I've tried, so I'm going to buy. So when it's fully dry, it looks really pretty and it's pure matte, and that time it doesn't transfer, but while applying it goes on the teeth, and when it's wet it goes on the teeth. So like literally all shades are really pretty when it's fully dry, and like out of all, my favorite shade is this Seductress. I love this Seductress, and like this shade is pretty too, the one I'm wearing, like lava, this one, and this red is okay too, like this pania is okay too, but like this dreamer is not my type of color. Like it's literally very light, and like I don't like this that much, but like it will go really well with a dark lip liner, and like it doesn't come off easily. That's the main thing. So you have to use oils, lip balms, and like I have done these swatches and my lips are burning after taking it off. Like literally it's very hard, and like I have to apply lots of lip balm to take this lipstick off. So this is what I'm going to say about this lipstick. I'm going to just apply a lip liner now, and I'm going to just see if this changes anything. Okay, it's really pretty with a lip liner. Like all of it will look really pretty with a lip liner. So I just applied a random dark maroon lip liner. Yeah, it's pretty. Yeah, it's okay. I'm going to apply a Seductress on top of this color. So I want to just see. Yeah, my favorite out of all is this Seductress, and like it's really very pretty. So if you guys want to see more of my future videos, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, follow me around. Social media links are below in the description box, and until next time, bye.